Petunia plant is one of the most easy to grow flower plant of winter season. In this video, we will go through a step-by-step way of growing petunia plants from seedlings up to their flowering stage, talking all about its care tips. So let's know about this and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important point in petunia plant care is to plant it at the right time. Petunia plant is generally grown at the start of winters in warm and moderate climate areas, while in cold climate regions it's grown in springs. You can grow them from seeds or their cuttings, but the easiest way is to buy such a pot of petunia seedlings. They are already established. You can buy them from any local nursery. They are very common. Plant each seedling with great care. Don't damage the roots. Do this at a cool evening, not in the sunlight. Water the planted seedlings very carefully. Water on the soil, not on the seedling. Place this pot in a shade for some days. If the season is ideal, they will recover within a week and start growing. A cool weather is perfect for their fast growth. In hot summers, they can't survive. Same way, in too much of a cold weather, again they can't grow well. 20 to 28 degrees Celsius temperature is perfect for their fast growth. You will see as the springs warm up, the plant will start making buds and soon they will bloom into beautiful petunia flowers. Their soft tissue-like texture with vibrant colors attract a lot of pollinators like bees and butterflies. Another key thing for successfully growing petunia flowers at your space is their soil media. Soil is a fundamental part of growing. If the soil is clayish or maybe water blocking, petunia plants grow really slow and may die. On the other hand, if you plant them in a soft, loose and well-draining soil mix, the growth will be very healthy and consistent. New roots will keep on spreading in the soil, new leaves will keep on appearing, buds and flowers will bloom very healthily. So use a well-draining and loose soil media. To make it at home, simply follow the description box video. Another important thing in petunia flower plant care is to place it in an ideal spot. Imagine soil and season is right, but the plants are placed in a dark area. How would the flowering will happen when there is no sunlight? Sunlight has a direct connection with better, more and vibrant budding and flowering on any plant. All flower producing plants need direct sunlight. For petunia plants, full day of warm sunlight works well. At least make sure your petunia plants receives 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Otherwise, the flowering will reduce. Max flowering happens in sunlight. Summer's sunlight is too hot, which is not ideal for petunias. But the sunlight of its growing season, like the springs and winters, is very much ideal and healing. So make sure of it and do subscribe to our channel. One important thing to force more flowers on petunia plant is its fertilization. A well-fertilized plant produces more flowers, while unfertile soil causes less and small-sized flowers. Coolness of nights is also a reason of big-size petunia flowers. Petunia plants are low feeders, need very less fertilizer. They are seasonal flowers, need fertilizer only at their younger stage. You can use any nutrients-enriched fertilizer with a slightly acidic pH. Acidic pH helps in better absorption of the fertilizer. You can use this homemade flower fertilizer for all your winter flowers. Video on this is added in the description box. Feel free to check out the recipe and use every 2 weeks when the plants are younger. Petunia plants also gets a lot of benefits from deadheading. Removing the spent flowers prevents the formation of seeds, and by this plant pushes more flowers to make seeds. This is a great way to get season-long flowering on your petunia plants. Just remove the dead flowers from the stem. This is how their seed pods looks like. If you don't remove them, they will turn yellowish and such tiny seeds will come out. You can store them for the next season in a dark and dry area. Petunia plants are hardy and very less pest attack on them. Still, you should keep an eye. For ultimate prevention, you can use a neem spray once a week. To know how to make a neem spray at home, you can follow the description box video. So it's all about petunia flower plant care. Here is a detailed video on other of such winter's flowering plants. All have unique flowers with an easy to care quality. Feel free to check them out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.